What is up, guys? Sonduren here. I have a special video and a special project we're undertaking. This is going to be really cool. This is a 1987 Toyota Supra. This is actually the first Supra that came out outside when it was kind of merged with the Celica. And my nephew is going to talk about it. It's his vehicle. And we're going to do a full restoration on this car. It's going to be a sick project.
Hey guys, I'm Nabil, Sonduren's nephew, and this is my Mark III Toyota Supra. As you can see, this is my brand new project car, and I'm really excited about it and stuff. Some little things that I would like to talk about is that this car used to be an automatic 4-speed, and it got converted to a manual 5-speed. It's the NA model, but I do have the turbo engine for this car. And I'd just like to talk about some little things that I'm planning on doing with this and things I've already done. So currently I'm on BC Racing coilovers on Mark IV Supra wheels with the Pilot Sport 4S's. And then I'm planning on just really building the suspension on this car and just doing some major body work. As you can see, it's looking a little dated, and some interior work. And apart from that, I'm planning to keep it a little bit stock, but a little bit modified at the same time. Maybe go for something like an OEM Plus look.
And so the body does need some work, obviously. I think we showed it to a few members of our family and they're like, what, you bought this?
Yeah,
like
my family is not the biggest fan of this car, but
they're gonna see it.
They'll wait.
Once it's done, Nabil's got the vision, it's gonna look great. You're gonna do the body just like in the white again, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna paint it white. One thing I'm thinking of with the stripping on the side, like the moldings, is I might also paint that white as well. But I have two sets of them, and the molding is extremely expensive and rare to find, so I might keep one black and keep one just white and then paint it over and see how that goes. And I'm also planning on getting like an aftermarket carbon fiber stripping that I think would look really, really sick on this car on the white. Interior, I'm planning on refinishing it. I'm probably gonna get some upholstery shop to redo the seats and stuff. I'm gonna try to do some of it on my own as I do work on cars and stuff, and I would like to learn a skill like that. But for the more difficult things, I'm either gonna just straight up replace it with another car donor part or just get it redone completely.
Honestly, this is actually a pretty sick project. It reminds me when I did the E46 M3 project. Like, this is like, I can see it. You guys can probably see it right now. It has a beautiful, honestly, design. And I think once there's some like that love and TLC on it, it's gonna look so nice, and the engine sounds so good and it drives really nice. We're actually gonna show you what that drive looks like right now. We're gonna do a comparison, basically, like how it looks and feels right now. And then once we're done the project, we're gonna take it back here, go for another rip, and you'll see the transformation. So you guys are gonna like these shots. I'm gonna share them with you now. Let's go for a drive.